Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jasmine Glover. I'm back here with another YouTube video, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and hit that post notification button so you can know when me, Jasmine Glover, drops a new video. And today I am doing a ULTA haul. Yes, girls, we are doing, girls and guys, we are doing a ULTA haul today. I have been going for a minute. I've been going through some things. I'm gonna have a separate video on that. I've just been going through a lot of pain, migraine wise. It's been taking a toll on me for real, but I am going to get through this video in the name of Jesus. Amen. I'm gonna get this video even if I start hurting. I'm gonna take a minute to myself and I'm gonna go back to record this video. So that's what we're about to do. Let's get started with this ULTA haul. I'm not gonna keep y'all waiting. Let's get started.
I'm a rock star. Woke up to niggas talking.
Alright guys, so I have this beautiful box right here. I'm gonna open her up real quick. I have my keys. So I got like in total 15 things from them. And I just got some goodies that I wanted to try, some goodies that I haven't tried. We got a lot of stuff. So first thing first, when you open the box, it looks like this. And then coming out of here, I'm gonna take the bubble wrap out. And first thing first, I get the NYX. This, if you bought $25 worth of NYX products, you got a free six piece kit. Why did I just go like brain space? I don't know. Wait, my earring! I have to do it over. Okay, we're gonna act like my earring was in. I'm gonna go get it.
Thumbnail.
So yeah, I was having a really bad migraine earlier and I had to go in the house and I totally just, yeah. So earrings on, and I got my 6-piece free like kit. If you bought $25 worth of NYX stuff. So this is what it came with. Let's open it up, put this box to the side. So first thing first, out of the kit, we have a dream catcher palette. So we have the dream catcher palette, golden horizons. So yeah, this is the dream catcher palette. Next, you get some fresh face blotting matte papers, and I need these, so I'm really glad that they put these in here because this is definitely something that I will be using and that I can use and get good use out of. So really happy about these. The next thing you get is a NYX brush. It looks like a blending brush, I'm not sure. That you get the no filter blurring primer, and I was gonna buy this, bitch. Yes, y'all, I was gonna buy this primer and it came in it. Yes, I knew I had to get that $25 worth of NYX. I was like, it's gonna pay off. I gotta do it. Like, because at first I didn't have nothing. I was like, I gotta do it. It's gonna pay off. Oh, I wish they would have bought me the milk. Okay, this is the bronze, but I'll definitely get good use out of this. I definitely prefer the milk because that's like the only thing I use, but I'll have fun with that. And this is the cute little bag that it comes. It's like a little rose bag. So we have one, oh, hold up, I'm trying to be all cute and stuff. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the bag, 6 products. Oh my god, I'm so glad I did that and I went along and got it. So the next thing I got was a pair of eye makeup removing mittens. I had seen this and I was like, oh my god, I'm like, my eyes get so irritated from what they call it, like the cleansers, the wipes and stuff like that. So I was like, I think these would be very good, and they say you can use them without a cleanser. You just take them straight off, and like, I'm taking my thing, it has that material where I feel like this is going to be really good for makeup. So like, I feel like this is eye, but I'm just going to use these everywhere. And then it comes with like this little thing. You can put this in the washing machine, I think. I don't think you can put these in the washing machine. I think you can put these in the washing machine, but I think this is just like a bag you store it in. But I thought this would be like a bag that you put in the washing machine. I'm not sure. We're gonna read about that later. Okay, so if you bought $35 worth of Mario Badescu products, then you got a 4-piece kit for free. And I'm all about getting stuff for free, y'all. I love deals. Like, if I see a deal, I'm gonna go for it and I'm gonna try to get my best out of it. So the 4-piece set, of course, comes with this cute little clear baggie, and inside the cute little clear baggie, we have the Mario Badescu, and I don't know if I'm saying it right, but yeah, this is the exfoliating scrub. That's the first thing first we got in here. Then we have a mini cucumber and aloe facial spray, and I'm gonna get, I purposely did not buy one of these because I seen that it came in the free kits, so kudos. And then you got some hyaluronic eye cream, so I'm gonna be excited to try that. So while we're on Mario Badescu, let's go ahead and pull out what I got. I got the Mario Badescu skincare kit, and this is the brightening regimen kit. It's the brightening illuminating. It comes with the glycolic foaming cleanser, it's alpha grapefruit cleansing lotion, the vitamin C serum, and the whitening mask. So I thought this would be good for my skin type and what I'm trying to do for my skin, so I had to pick this up and review. I will have a review on all products. Make sure you subscribe right now so you can know when I, Jasmine Glover, drop a new video, because I will be doing a review on all of these products. So I had to get this exfoliating facial mitt. It's exfoliating facial mitt, but I think I'm gonna really use it for my body. If it's good, I'm gonna order 2, but I don't know. I'm gonna see how it feels on my face, but I think I'm gonna really use it for my body. And it's just this. Yeah, let me pull it out for y'all. Should I have pulled out the other stuff? I'm not sure. So it's just this facial mitt, and like I said, I think it's gonna get used for the body. Next, I got this new Morphe Sweet Peach Continuing Setting Mist, and I had to get it because it was part of the Sweetie line. And yeah, I was gonna buy the mist anyway, so I was like, let me just get the Sweetie kind. I heard really good stuff about it. Can't wait to try it. Really good stuff about it. Like, I know the Continuing Setting Mist is amazing, so now it has peach smell to it, and it's by Sweetie. I know it's gonna be fine. Okay, I'm so excited, and I hope that this is my skin color. Like, ooh. Okay, this is the Benefit Hello Happy Air Stick Foundation. I got this in the shade 9. I got Max on foundation.com. If you don't know about that, I feel like it's pretty accurate, because it was pretty accurate. Like, I put in a couple of my foundations I've used, and then I just tried to see if it could pick a couple that I know of, and like it had picked all my shades down perfect. So I'm hoping so. This is what it looks like. Oh, the packaging is like exquisite. Oh my god, this packaging. Phew. Hello. Oh, I can't wait, girl. I can't wait, girl. I can't wait to do a review on this, girl. Hold on, let me put it back up. Oh, I can't wait to do a review, because I just been loving foundations and just trying new foundations. So I'm super happy I got this. Oh, I can't wait to do my review on it. It's coming soon, okay? Headaches or not, y'all gonna get it. I got the Body Shop Tea Tree, and I got this specifically for when I have body acne or when I shave or get waxed. I tend to have like razor bumps and stuff like this, and like just ingrown hairs, and I heard this is really good. That's why I said I was gonna use, let me show y'all. Okay, so this is why I was like, I'm probably gonna use this for my body, because when I shave and stuff, I want to use this with the Body Shop Tea Tree oil stuff, so I can like exfoliate really good and like get it, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's gonna be good. I already know it's gonna be good. This was what I really bought the combo for. That's what it was for. This was on, oh, excuse me. Okay, just yeah, okay. So this was on sale, and this was waterproof, and I just heard really good things about Physician Formula waterproof eyeliner before from some girls on the net, the internet, YouTube, whatever. I heard some good things about this, so I ended up going to go pick this up. Well, I didn't go nowhere. It came to me. What am I talking about? Yeah, I picked this up, and I'm really excited about it. And if y'all know my last little video, I haven't posted it, but I'm gonna post a little blooper here. I tried to do a 420 video and my fucking liner broke, and I was like, I just had to pick this up, so I'm about to play the blooper for y'all. My liner in. Yeah, that was sad. That was traumatic. I didn't even post that video. If y'all want that video, let me know down below in the description box and I'll edit it. It still came out kind of cute, but like, yeah. Next thing I got, I'm super excited for this. Oh my gosh. I say I'm excited for everything, but when it comes to makeup and beauty stuff, I really be excited, bro. Like, I get like this rush. Okay, it's the Bio Skin Oil, and I heard this shit right here amazing. Oh my god, I heard it was amazing, and it was out of stock for a minute. So when I got my hands on this, girl, I heard this does wonders with body and face marks. Like, I'm trying to even out my face, okay? I'm trying to even out my body. I want everything to be on point because this body finna get right, and on my skincare, everything gotta be right, honey. So this is the Bio Skin Oil. It's multi-use. I cannot wait to use it. I will be doing a review and let y'all know how it works within a week, and 2 weeks, and 3 weeks. Like, road to perfect skin. Hello, that's the series right there. I want a bronzer, but I wanted a matte bronzer. I'm so sick and tired of like the glittery bronzers. Sometimes I just want a matte bronzer so it can look natural when I wear my natural makeup. So I picked up this NYX matte bronzer, which I wish I would have picked up the NARS one. I really wish I would have, but I didn't see it till after I made my purchase. So I will be going back to purchase that. But this is the NYX matte brown highlighter. Hopefully it is dark enough for me to bronze with. It looks pretty dark. This is in the color Deep Tan, so I think it's gonna be fingers crossed that this can help me out. Okay, we're gonna do a review on her too. I guess I can do these 2 in 1. So these are the NYX HD Studio Photogenic highlighters. I'm pretty sure y'all are pretty you know, well versed. Y'all heard of these. A lot of makeup gurus, they rave about them. I got the tan bronze and the espresso. So this one will be to highlight, to contour, and this will be to highlight. So I'm super excited about this. I'm super excited about everything. Oh my god, she's so annoying. Whatever. Last but not least, oh wait, no, I have one more thing. So this here, guys, this is NYX eyeliner in bronze. I fucked up because I was supposed to get this in brown. I'm specifically trying to use this for a lip liner. We're gonna test it out right now. This is going to be the demo of the NYX Professional Makeup Eyeliner. I today will be using it as a lip liner. Oh my god, can you get it open? I don't have a mirror, so now I have to find a mirror. Hopefully this product has a mirror. I'm thinking it probably won't, but we gonna see. We gonna be optimistic. You finna see what this looking like though, shawty. I'm like very curious. This is like one of the most curious things I was curious about, because I'm looking for the right lip combo for me. And like, even if I have to use the eyeliner, I will, okay? I don't care. Oh my god. Oh, it has a mirror! Ah! Don't mind that. That was crazy. That was crazy. Why did I do that? That was crazy. I don't know. Oh, okay. Now, I thought this was not gonna be dark enough, but okay. Yeah. She's doing her thing right now. This mirror? Okay, hold on. Hello. Take the piece of plastic off of it. I was wondering why it was so dingy. No, we just dropped her. We didn't damage her. We didn't damage her, but we did just drop her. Oh my gosh. Okay, she's gonna work. I was very curious about that. Like, that was one of my top things I was worried about, because like I told y'all, I've been looking for that perfect lip combo, and she might work. Okay, let's look at this bronze while we got it out, because we do got it out. And she does not look like she's gonna work for me. Look at this. Look at her. She's not going, I don't think she's gonna work. Personally, I don't think she's gonna work for me. This looks like my skin tone. This is why I don't buy stuff that's labeled bronzer. Like, I just have to buy my color. It doesn't matter what it is. It can be a shadow for all I care. Okay, let's get to the last thing I got. It's exciting. It's Mario Badescu. It's like pretty little, but I got this mint lip balm by Mario Badescu. I heard that his lip balm is amazing and it's super moisturizing, so I had to get it. It was $8. I feel like it's gonna be well worth my 8 coins because I heard that it's really good. So yeah, that was the last thing I got. This is what I got. My first little haul. Yeah, so that is all of the stuff that I got. Thank you guys so much for watching this haul. I will be doing a review on everything, so make sure you subscribe and turn your post notifications on so you can know when Jasmine Glover drops a new video. I will be doing another video today talking about my migraines because I really want some answers from other people and just like a whole community. Like, y'all will see my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.
I'm a rock star. Woke up to niggas talking.